Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings or the application of Google Wallet. You will go to settings here. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.